What should you do to help spot maintenance trends for your small apartment? Hey, Cordell here, small apartment investors. Check out the website that I have, small.apartmentinvestors.com. Tons of stuff on buying and managing small apartments. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to spot trends, maintenance trends for your small apartment. Let's get it. All right. Now, if your property manager doesn't have the following tracked, you should document this separately inside of a spreadsheet. Total number of service requests received. Total number completed and pending. Total number needing parts. Total number remaining from previous week. Total number of follow-up calls and or inspections made. Total number of emergencies handled. Total number of make-readies cleaned, painted, repaired, and completed. Total number of preventive maintenance tasks completed and hours worked. Who is being assigned to what task? How many assignments are given in one day? How many callbacks were made? What type of service did they perform? How many assignments are completed and how long did each assignment take? How quickly the service was done? How many follow-up on repeat service calls were there? Pause this video, take a screenshot, copy it down, develop your list. Hopefully it helps you out in your role as being a small apartment owner. Adios.